Okay, so I'm pretty sure you must have seen many coming soon pages like the ones you're seeing right now. Maybe when a website is about to launch, and then you will see some sort of a page like this saying, hey, we're launching in 200 days. Click here to provide your email address so we can notify you when we're live. Here are some other examples. Down here, you can take a look at this article. The article is titled 20 Best Coming Soon HTML5 Website Templates for Maintenance and Under Construction Pages 2017. If you wanted to create something very similar like this, I would recommend using the Launcher Coming Soon and Maintenance Mode plugin. It is by my theme shop, and the major reason why I would recommend this plugin is because it is very lightweight. It has lots of features available, but it is very, very lightweight. So let's take a look at how we can configure the plugin. I have already installed and activated it. And when you do the same, come down here to your settings, click on Launcher. And now in here, first things first, we have to enable the launcher page. So we've enabled that. And in here, you can add your page title. So let's say Web Monkey is going to be the page title for my website. And then the description will be we teach WordPress. Okay, I can add my custom CSS code in here, and I could also add code to my header or footer sections in here. Let's save our changes. Let's now move on to the templates. This plugin has 3 major templates, as you can see, and depending on the template you choose, that will determine which of these other options are available for you. As an example, Launcher has all these options available. But if I chose retro, then the subscribe form, the Twitter feed, and the contact forms are not available. If I chose Rocket, the contact form is not available. Let's choose Rocket for now. Let's save our changes. Now let's move on to the countdown timer. All right, countdown to, let's go with, let's say March 1st, 2017. Let's hit done. And then you can disable the launcher page once the time has arrived. Let's do that. Let's move on to the subscribe form. Now, if you do have any sort of mail service, you have all the options in here. You have FeedBurner, MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse, Campaign Monitor, and Mad Mimi. Let me just stick with FeedBurner, even though I don't have any FeedBurner. But if you had FeedBurner, for example, you'll provide your username and then fill in the rest of these labels in here. If you chose MailChimp as an example, you would have to add your MailChimp API key, and then you would choose the list that you want to use. For the Twitter feed in here, you would have to add your username, your API key, secret, and all these other options. And you can get it by simply clicking on this link in here, and that will take you to a page on Twitter that will tell you how you can get all these credentials. And then, of course, finally, we have the social links, but you can add links for your Facebook page, your Twitter page, and so on and so forth. All right, let's go ahead and hit save changes. And let's take a look at what we have. What I'm going to do is I am going to bring in my Mozilla Firefox in here. Let me refresh this page. And now you can see that this is the page that people will see when they come to our home page. Now we can actually change the text in here and change the color. In order to do that, from here will have to click on Launcher, and now in here you can click on Edit. And now this will take you to the front end where you can now begin to make changes to the text. As an example in here right now, if I clicked on the text, I can now change this to say something like, we shall soon be alive, something very dramatic like that, and then do that. And then I can also hit a brush in here to select the color. I can make it all red, give it some more drama to it as well. And then for the eye, I can just either enable it or disable it by simply clicking on the eye. Let's enable that. In here again, I can click inside and then change the text to whatever I want. Let me just remove plugin designed by my theme shop. Let's do that. And then let me click on the checkbox. All right, so it says we're working on our website design. We are sure this new website will completely blow your mind. And of course, this is where people will add their email address so that they can be notified as soon as we go live. And of course, we have the social media links in here as well. So once again, if you go back to your back end, you have other templates that you can choose. You can try the retro and you can try the launcher as well. But these are basically the 3 templates that you have available for you. So once again, this was the launcher plugin by My Theme Shop. And with the plugin, you can create really good coming soon pages or on the maintenance pages as well. You could do so using this plugin. I would encourage you to take a look at this article once again. You can get some inspiration on how to create some really interesting coming soon and on the maintenance pages. So thank you once again for watching the video, and I will see you in the next class.